Hey there, gardening friends! Welcome to my channel where we celebrate the beauty and joy of gardening. Welcome to my little slice of paradise here. Every corner is filled with vibrant colors and delightful scents. Just look at these colorful blooms. Aren't they just magical? Each flower has its own story and charm. Hi everyone, I'm so excited to share my garden with you today. I'm so thrilled to have you in my garden today. It's a place where I find peace and happiness, and I hope it brings you joy too. I'm your name, and flowers are my absolute passion. They bring so much beauty and life to our world. Today I'm going to share some of my all-time favorite flowers with you. Let's dive right in and explore the wonders of nature. Alright, let's get started on a special floral arrangement. It's one of my favorite activities, and I can't wait to show you how it's done. First, we need to pick out some gorgeous flowers. Choosing the right flowers is key to creating a stunning arrangement. Look at these vibrant roses and cheerful daisies. They're perfect for adding a pop of color and a touch of elegance. Now, let's trim the stems. Snip, snip. This helps the flowers absorb water better and stay fresh longer, and arrange them in this lovely vase. Remember, balance is key. A well-balanced arrangement is pleasing to the eye and brings harmony to the space. Don't you just love how they come together? Each flower complements the others, creating a beautiful symphony of colors and shapes. Now for some tips and tricks. These simple tips will help you keep your flowers looking fresh and vibrant for longer. Tip #1, keep your flowers hydrated. Water is essential for their health and longevity. Fresh water is a flower's best friend. Make sure to change the water regularly to keep it clean and fresh. Tip #2, trim those stems regularly. Cutting the stems at an angle helps them absorb water more efficiently. It helps them absorb water better and stay hydrated. This simple step can make a big difference in the lifespan of your flowers. And tip #3, use flower food to keep them fresh longer. Easy peasy, right? Flower food provides essential nutrients that help flowers thrive. And ta-da! Here's my colorful creation. Isn't it lovely? I just adore how these flowers brighten up any space. What do you think? They add a touch of nature's beauty to our homes. Let's have some fun with flower facts. Flowers are not only beautiful, but also fascinating. Did you know that sunflowers actually move to follow the sun? This phenomenon is called heliotropism. And roses have over 300 species. Each species has its own unique beauty and characteristics. Oh, and tulips were once more valuable than gold. Isn't that fascinating? They were highly prized during the Dutch Golden Age. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite flower? Share your thoughts and let's celebrate our love for flowers together. Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your comments and learning about your favorite flowers. I can't wait to read all about your favorites. Your feedback and stories make this community so special. Thanks for visiting my garden. I hope you had as much fun as I did. It's always a pleasure to share my passion with you. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more floral fun. Keep blooming, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more floral fun. Keep blooming, everyone. Your support means the world to me. See you next time. And remember, there's always more to discover in the garden. Bye for now. And remember, there's always more to discover in the garden. Bye for now. Keep exploring and enjoying the beauty of nature.